to the answer. And then you come out, you increment outside, n by 1. Then you come back to check, is your n less or equal than 2? So you stay in this loop until it's no longer correct. Then you come back here, and then you see at end of calculation. So basically, here you can put and say whatever you want. So here, so that people don't tell me that what you put here, let me just put something. Okay. The out end of calculation. This is calculation people. Okay. And then you end your code. All right, so let's recap the pseudocode one more time. I mean the flow chart. So you start by declaring your n, and then you initialize your n by 1, and then you come here into the checking. So you check, is your n less or equal than 5? If yes, so this is no, right? So if yes, you come here and then you do this. So basically this will display 2 times 1 equals to 2. And then the next time when you come back here, it's gonna say 2 times 2 equals 4. And the next time it's gonna give you 2 times 3 up until you get the idea. So basically this is what you're gonna be getting from this C out here. And then the incrementation of your n of your counter is not done inside here, it's done outside. Why? Because this is how the for loop works. If it was a while loop, you were gonna put it in here, but it's not a while loop, so it's a for loop. You put it outside, and then you come and increment. Once you're done, then it's gonna come here, and then you end your code from there. Right. So that is the for loop. Now, when this comes out to our code, does this thing as a Visual Studio? Can I share Visual Studio? So instead of me typing it again, right? Okay. So so far so good. Let's move on. Can this thing move up now? And then what? How do you make a new page? I have no idea. How do you make a new page? Okay. Oh, what? How do we edit the page? Okay, I'm gonna hide it. It's fine. What's going on? Okay. Okay. Now let's write our code here. Okay. Again, I will start straight from the main function, because obviously you know what goes outside, right? Because here, remember, we are just declaring the counter. That's the only thing that we are declaring. There is no marks like the previous one when you say please enter your marks and then you capture the marks or something like that. We don't have that here. Here is just the counter. So because it's just a counter, there is one thing that you need to know about for loop. You don't declare the counter outside of the for. It needs to be done inside the for loop. So do not write what I'm about to say now. I want you first just to make sure you understand. If it was a while loop, you were going to say int n like this, and then you say n is equal to 0 or n is equal to 1, depending on where you are starting, and then you put a 1, right? And then you put if n. Remember that. That's how we're supposed to do if it was a 1 loop. But it's not a 1 loop, so we are not doing this. We are doing it differently. Right. How do we do it? We are doing it this way now. So you say 4. And then inside the 4, that's where you're declaring it now. You now say int n. Okay. And then you give it, actually, no, yeah. So you, not just n. You say int n, and then you say where does it start from. Int n, starting from 1. What